Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can merge contacts on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then swipe up to go into app screen. And in here, tap on contacts. Once contacts has opened, tap on the menu key on the left hand side. Then tap on manage contacts. At the top here, a merge contacts button, so you can tap on it. And then tap on either number tab, email tab, or name. So when I tap on a name, you can see it finds similar name. So you can go down here and confirm if it is the same person. If it is, then you can merge the many contacts to get it into one. So in here I have 2 records of Bob and 2 records of Tess. So I can select all, or I can simply select the one that I want to merge. So let's say I want to merge the 2 test contacts into a single contact. So I can tap on merge button, and now it has merged the test contact into one record. So here if I tap on test, it merged the mobile phone number and the home button, the home address, the email address. And in here, if I tap on link contacts, it shows there are 2 different contacts that has been merged together into one. And that's it. So you can also merge any other records that you want. So if I go back into manage contacts, I can tap on merge, and then I can select Bob. And again, you can see if it detects similar name, it will show you in the name tab. If it detects any similar email address, it will show you in the email section. So here I'm going to tap on merge again, and that will merge Bob into one record. And that's it. So that's how you can merge contacts on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.